Select Insurance Company. Buzz Buzzard Insurance Broker. Income taxes evaded, traffic tickets fixed. Oh boy, what a cheat. Oh, he's open for business.
The Whistler. One never knows when a little accident might prove fatal, does one? What you need is insurance. Now here's one of our blanket policies. It covers you completely. But maybe you would prefer this arsenic and old lace policy. It pays double in case of, shall we say, accidental death? Sign here.
In case of accidental death of Woody Woodpecker, his beneficiary, Buzz Buzzard, will receive the sum of $10,000. Hey! If you think you're going to bump me off and collect $10,000, you're crazy. Anytime you get $10,000 from me, it'll be over my dead body. You dirty crook! Guess who? Hello? It's for you.
Hello? Now you're gonna get what's coming to you, and I get what's coming to me.
Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed our show. Join us again on our next program for a half hour of fun with your old pal, Woody Woodpecker.
See you on our next show. Bye now.